Hello and welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and today I'm going to put together some cinnamon bakes. You know, the fried bakes, the bacon, saltfish, but I'm going to do a little touch here of cinnamon. Put some cinnamon in it. So first of all, what we need here, we have 2 tablespoons of butter, which I'm going to incorporate with 3 cups of flour. That's the first thing I'll do, and I'll get my hand in there and get it all mixed in to the flour. We mix the butter into the flour, and then we'll add the other ingredients. So I've incorporated my butter into the flour. And I'll now add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to give this all a mix. Okay, and this is the way I knead it for about 5 minutes, and till it gets nice and smooth. I'll now put this into a greased bowl so that it can rest for about 30 minutes. I just usually put a little bit of oil on top so that it wouldn't get a crust. And I'll cover it and set it aside for 30 minutes. And I'll be back. So 30 minutes later, we're going to take our cinnamon bakes out. Turn them onto a floured surface, and we're going to just roll them into a nice log and divide them up. You may get, I have 3 cups of flour, and I'm going to get maybe about, let's say 12, depending on how large you want them. 2, 3. About 12. Then I'm going to roll them into some nice little balls and put them away, and just stack them up before we start to roll them. We're going to roll them out into a disc and then fry. So these are some lovely cinnamon fried bakes that I'm doing here. So I roll these up into these nice little balls. So you'll just let them rest for about 10 minutes. let the gluten catch itself, you know what I mean? You gotta force that gluten to work. So we're gonna just let these rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna start the frying process. I'll be back. Now I have my oil heating, and it's at 355, so I'll just let it. I need it to be at 350, so it's at 355. I'll just once I put the bakes in, it's going to drop. So 355, I can start right now. So take one of our little guys here and just roll him out on a floured surface. Roll them out to whatever size you want. Don't roll it too thin, because it's gonna, when it inflates, when it puffs up, it's gonna be hollow in the middle. So just do it maybe like a good 1/4 inch thickness, and you'll be good. So we'll just drop that in there. These floats up nicely. I like to keep the hot oil on top, bathing it with the hot oil so that both sides can cook at the same time and it inflates better. Now you're looking for a nice golden brown color. And it just takes maybe about a minute per side, or a little less than that, because once it inflates, and once it inflates or puffs, you know it's cooking. It's cooked. That side is cooked. Both sides are cooked once both sides are inflated. That's a lovely color. And then we just take this guy out and let him drain. On a plate with some paper towels. Set this aside. So I'll roll maybe 2 or 3 now. I think at least about 3 of them can fit in there. So I'll just roll like maybe 3 and put them all in together. So we're going to drop these in. One, 2, and 3. Let those go. Oh, it's a little too hot. We're going to So here we're going to do a little taste test. And this is our nice cinnamon bake. Nice and fluffy. See that cavity in there? Wow, you can stuff this with anything. You usually put your saltfish in here. bacon saltfish. But today I'm going to, in this cavity today I'm going to just put some cheese spread. Just put a nice lavish amount of cheese spread in here. And we'll close this down. Lovely. Nice cheesy bite. Cheers. So soft. Awesome. Once again, the cinnamon bakes, you can use them with anything. Cheese spread, saltfish, sardines, anything. They're awesome. So, bon appetit. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip. Cheers.